Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 26 June 2018, 18 of hour, 07 of minute and 32 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can cats recognize their owners? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can cats recognize their owners. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can cats recognize their owners. Unlike dogs, cats joined human society on their own terms. Cats never needed to read human gestures and expressions in the same way that dogs did, and, as a result, they may not have developed the same understanding of human faces. It's more likely that cats recognize us in other ways, like scent, touch, and sound. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.